Hi, welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagdish Chandran. Here we will be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty going forward and important levels to watch out for. Nifty just opens around 19,000 levels. Immediately, selling pressure and supply push the index below 19,000 levels to take the index slide near 18,850 zones on an intraday basis. Bank Nifty opened around 42,700 zones, saw selling pressure once breaking levels of 42,500 to test levels of 42,100 on an intraday basis and closed around 42,300 zones. Bears dominate. Bears domination continues. We had clearly warned in our previous updates to avoid leverage longs. Markets clearly signaling the distribution on at higher levels and topping out signals visible. Dear investors, great opportunity to emerge in coming sessions. Focus on stock specific to build your long term portfolio in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to our podcast and market updates and is useful for your trading decisions. Kindly do subscribe our channel for market updates and interesting insights. Do share it to your friends and relatives looking for market updates. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.